Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your live location in Google Messages in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, you want to make sure you're signed into your Google account inside Google Messages. You can quickly confirm this by checking your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, you want to open any conversation with the person you want to share your location with. And once you are inside that chat, you want to tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, this one right here. And from there, look for the option called real time location, which is usually highlighted in green. Go ahead and tap that. Now, you'll be asked to how long you want to share your location. You'll also be asked to allow messages to access your device's location. Just simply choose only this time or while using the app. And then from here, you want to turn on locations as well. And once done, you'll be asked how long you want to share your location. So from here, you can choose options like an hour or today, or even have a custom duration depending on your preference. Once you select the time, just tap send. If it's your first time, you may need to accept a quick permission or terms prompt before it goes through. And basically, that's it. Your live location will now be shared in the chat, and the other person can see your real time movement until the timer runs out. So, yeah, sharing your location in Google Messages is that easy and only takes a few simple steps. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.